I'm Dion. I will be doing a review on a new product line that I have discovered. It is Demore by Jay. So visit their website. It is demorebyj.com. They have a makeup line that is all natural and chemical free. What I must tell you is that I have acne prone skin, so with this makeup product line I don't have to worry about breakouts, getting my pore clogged, or even drying out my skin, because the ingredients in there has no irritant. It's all great for me. So I'm going to apply the makeup now, and then you will see the finished look and I'll comment on the products. Hey guys, so I'm back with the finished look with Demore by Jay makeup line. Here I have on the foundation. It's a liquid mineralized foundation, and over it I place the dual active pressed powder, which gives it a matte look. For the brows, I just use the brow pencil and just fill my brows in. Use the concealer to highlight it. For my eyes, I just use the black pencil to line my waterline and the mascara to lift my eyelashes. Then for my lips, which I love, the color is Luxurious Lipstick. What I like about this lipstick is that it gives me a cream finish and a little amount of shine. So this finish, I must say, I love it, and I recommend that you visit the Demore by Jay website and get these products. They are good and you will love it because they're all natural and chemical free.